Hi people, today I have brought important video tutorial how you can assign multiple materials to object, because I modeled roof tiles. You can speed assigning materials. How you can do that? I will show you. When you select everything all together, there's a very interesting option, and you choose roof tile material. You can see in viewport, because we still have to use one setting called link materials, and after that you can assign everything at once. Because normally when you try to choose material, roof tiles, only one of the object will have a new texture assigned. But this utility, when you press spacebar and use search, but I don't know if this utility is located somewhere else in the menu. But I believe you have to type command. But I can check if this is available from context menu. It may not be easy for you to find it. That is why you have to enable dynamic context menu. So you will have option with search, because you have to enable. I'm using Blender 4.2 version. But if you don't have add-ons, what I did, I copied my old add-ons from previous version. I copied all of the files here, add-ons. Then I went back to Blender 4.2. Add-ons core. Then I copied to that folder all of my add-ons from previous version of Blender. That is why you can enable dynamic context menu. And again, I will select all of the roof tiles. Wait a minute. Link object, link transfer data. Oh, I can check that. Object is this link transfer data. Oh, I have this option from context menu. I'm very happy, people. So I can assign materials of the roof tiles at once. I hope you like my video tutorial, people, and you can still use add-ons, extensions from previous version of Blender in a new version of Blender, but you have to copy that folder add-ons to add-ons core folder. Only separate files and you will be able to activate your add-ons. I don't know why Blender Foundation removed all the add-ons, but I showed it to you. This utility, this possibility, so you can use in new version of Blender. For example, my favorite add-ons is Curve Edit, Curve Tool, Curve Tools, and V Surfaces add-on. Also, we have got like a tool called Loop Tools. Where is this? It should be visible view. Did I enable this? Probably I just have to check something because I'm not sure if I enable this. Wait a minute, where is this? It should be visible. Oh yes, it is. Sorry people, I just couldn't see this. It is above the surfaces, but this is transparent, so I have to change something. Region overlap, so you can easily see. It's up to you how do you want to work with interface. You can also hide this, but I don't want to take too much time. So after I showed you this utility, so you can quickly assign one material to multiple objects in object mode. I don't know if this is possible in edit mode. I haven't tried because roof tiles are separate, but they are still connected to each other. Anyway, see you guys.